Getting ready for Christmas in August, the ultimate guide. Christmas in August? It might sound a bit unusual, but planning ahead can turn the festive season into a stress-free, joyous time. By starting preparations early, you can avoid the last-minute rush, save money, and make the most of the holiday season. Here's how to get a head start on your Christmas preparations in August. Plan your budget. The holiday season can be financially demanding because of our bad economy. That is why it is important to start now by outlining a budget including gifts, decorations, food, travel, and any other holiday expenses. By planning early, you can spread out your spending over several months, making it easier on your wallet. Create a gift list. Making a gift list early allows you to take advantage of sales and discounts throughout the year. Consider who you'll be buying for and set a budget for each person. Keep an eye out for sales during August, especially back to school and summer clearance sales, which can offer great deals on potential gifts. Start with DIY decorations and gifts. August is a perfect time to start on DIY projects. Handmade gifts and decorations add a personal touch to the holiday season. Whether it's knitting scarves, making ornaments, or crafting personalized photo albums, starting now gives you ample time to create something special. Plan your holiday travel. If you're planning to travel during the holidays, now is the time to start looking for deals on flights and accommodations. Booking early can often save you money and ensure you get the best options before they sell out. Organize your home. Decluttering and organizing your home in August can make decorating for Christmas much easier. Clean out spaces where you plan to put up holiday decorations and donate items you no longer need. This not only makes room for new decorations but also helps those in need. Start on holiday cards. Consider designing and writing your holiday cards now. By doing so, you can avoid the rush in December and have more time to write personalized messages. You can even take advantage of summer photo shoots for unique card photos. Test and upgrade decorations. Pull out your holiday decorations and test any lights and electronic items. Replace broken bulbs and make a list of any new decorations you might need. August is also a good time to buy new decorations as many stores have end-of-summer sales. Plan your holiday menu. Think about your holiday meals and start planning your menu. You can even begin to stock up on non-perishable items. Consider trying out new recipes now, so you have time to perfect them before the holiday season. Set up a Christmas countdown. Creating a countdown to Christmas can build excitement and keep you on track with your preparations. You can use a planner, app, or even a homemade calendar to mark important dates and tasks. Enjoy the process. Starting your Christmas preparations in August means you can enjoy the holiday season without the stress. Take your time, enjoy the process, and involve your family and friends. This early planning can become a fun, shared activity that brings everyone closer together. Here are some final thoughts. Getting ready for Christmas in August might seem unconventional, but it's a smart way to ensure a relaxed and joyous holiday season. By spreading out the tasks and costs, you can enjoy the festive spirit without the last-minute panic. So, embrace the early start, and let the holiday magic begin. Please share your thoughts about your ideas for getting an early start to the holidays, and please give this video a like if you found it interesting.